BBQ Rando here. It is a cool night here in Phoenix, and I gotta tell you, we got a Dominator Fireworks demo for you tonight. And this one here is called, if I turn it around, I'll do it this way. It's called Jungle King. Are you with me? Jungle King. One more time. Jungle King. And it's a pretty tall fountain. Not very heavy though. But you know, Dominator makes flippin' awesome fountains here. We use them in Arizona a lot. Got all kinds of crazy monkey business going on around here in the jungle. And I'm going to flip it around one more time. We got our safe and sane seal. Doesn't have much of a performance, so you guys already know the light fuse and get away. So, you know what? Let's get the roar of this fountain going, and we're going to go to the launch pad. All right. Woo. There we go. Hey, we made it to the launch pad. So let's get this Jungle King going here. Cracked open the top. Woo. All right. Whoa. Awesome! Whoa! Hey, let's hear it for Jungle King for Dominator Fireworks. Hey, it's huffing and puffing that lion. Barbecue!